Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to film a how I met my fiance video, but then he came home today and brought me all this watermelon. He brought me 3 nice sized watermelons. So I'm about to make some watermelon juice to just sip on while I tell y'all my story time. So yeah, let's get started. Watermelon right here, I sliced it open and just take the pulp out, add it to my food processor, and then I'm just going to strain it out and add some mint. I'm not adding any sugar to this juice. I just want the straight up watermelon juice. But you can add sugar if you prefer, and ice. I'm going to pop mine in the freezer while I get ready for my video. Alright guys, so I transferred it to this pitcher so it'll be easier to pour. I have my glass here with some ice. I know the juice gods and are gonna come, why are you adding ice? Why aren't you drinking it right away? Let me do what I want to do, okay? This is a different circumstance. So I'm gonna pour it in here and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Yum. Oh, okay guys, so I'm about to go film my how I met my fiance, so make sure you scroll down and watch that video too. This drink is super refreshing and easy and healthier than the version I made before, which has all that sugar and sweetener in there. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.